Hello, Jason here. Today is August 27th, and this is your aftermarket update. So to say that today was a wild trading day here on the CL would be a gross understatement of what went on today. The market has moved, as you can see here, 380 ticks today, and we're an hour after the close. You can see also that the 10-day average range is 169 ticks, and the 20-day average range is 162 ticks. So again, today's range was more than double what we normally see. In fact, this was oil's largest gain since 2009, largest daily gain since 2009. So again, it was a very wild day here. It's really best seen here on your 5-minute chart. So if you take a look back here, I'm going to squeeze this chart in here. You take a look back, and we talk about the market going from step to step. We started out way back early in the Asian session at this step. We moved up to the step. In fact, we came all the way to the second step above our second red target. That's, if you don't know anything else, you could just see by the chart that that's fairly impressive move. But that is a move that we don't see again in here very often at all. And I will admit to you that we did start out having a tough trading day in here. If you joined us for the first part of the session, you saw that I had a hard time getting in sync with the market. I would have a decent trade only to have it come back and take me out, and then we would go and it would end up going in the direction that we originally thought. That happened to me a couple of times today. As you know, we also have a 10-tick stop that we normally use. When you look at the statistics for today, you're going to see that my largest loss was $380 today. That's 19 ticks on a stop. When you watch the OTG trade of the day, you're going to see that I had a bigger stop on it today. I had to make that adjustment today because of the heavy moves that were going on in the market. So basically, and you're going to be able to look at the stats in detail, and if you read the blog post that accompanies this video, you'll see, and I'll explain in detail exactly what happened and how we were down and those types of things. But the OTG trade of the video that I'm going to let you watch here today was a very, very nice trade. In fact, it was 309 ticks today. Sorry, 303 ticks, not 9 ticks. 303 ticks on the OTG trade of the day. So what happens is we get long right in this area here at 32, 33. And I'm going to show you a 1-minute chart here in just a minute. But we get long in this area here, and our initial target was going to be up here to 41.69. But about halfway through the video, and the video lasts about 28 minutes, we decided because of these wild moves that we felt like we were going to take out the target above up here at 42.11. So we do get in here at 41.32. We do add along the way using our scale in, all out approach, and we end up with 5 lots at the target up here at 42.11. So again, that 303 tick move was the OTG trade of the day. And you can see here in the top right-hand corner how that finished us up for the combine on today. We had just a little over, as you see here, a little over 200 ticks positive here today, and that was on our Top Step Trader Combine. So let's go back here to this morning, and we'll take a look at why we were looking to get long around that 32. So that was in this area. Let's see, that was in this area right here. Okay, so we had come down into our minor support here at 41.23. All right, so we had overshot it, came back up into this zone. In fact, we were long up here. This is one of those trades that peeled back away from us. We missed our target by about 6 or 7 ticks right here initially. We pulled back, went up, pulled back, and it was once we got into this area, we pulled down on 4,600 contracts, had a small pullback up into our zone. We pulled back down into our zone on lesser volume. Bigger volume pullback up, and that's right here at 33. Smaller pullback into our zone. So we had big pullback, smaller, then smaller pullback. And once we finally lifted out of here, again, we were looking to get long right in this area here. So right before this wave occurred, we got long right in this area here, okay? And so once we came down on lesser volume, 1753, and then we broke, this is why we got long. And then, of course, the market made one small pullback, and then off to the races, really, it went with only one really minor pullback here as we went up into this 42.11 area. But this was the rationale. We were above our support zone here, and once we got confirmation on this smaller volume boom, we got in, and the rest, as they say, is history. So the OTG trade of the day video here is about 28 minutes long. I'm going to let you watch its entirety. So without further ado, here is that OTG trade of the 31. Good volume on this push up. As strong as it was before. You got to get through it. There's 32, 33. All right. Now, let's see what we can do here. Stop is at 09 down there for now. 69 is your final target here. Walk it up the ladder here. Let's go. 33, 34. Don't stall. New 15-minute bar in 5 minutes, a little over 5 minutes. You'd like to close above 31, 32 on the 5 minute. There's 32, 33. I'll be right back. You see where everything is. Oh, did not want to see that. Come back and see it slide down the hill here. All right, come on, 27, 28. Stop is 17. Stop is 17. Stop is 11. And I'm going to short 09 as well. So I'm going to just take it back 2 ticks from 11 to 09. And I'm going to sell stop it there. Either going to go up or we're going to come out with one of these two levels. We're going to either get back to the RB1 or up to the RB2. We're either going to make it to the RB1 up above us or down below us, or the RB2 up above us. I suspect it'll be that RB2, but I'm concerned that we are lingering around the 200% range extension. It could roll out from here. So that's why I'm going to be prepared to sell 9 if it does. Yeah, we need to get back north of 28, 29. Come on, 27, 28, 28, 29, now 30. Get through. There's 29, 30. Let's go 31, 32. All right, the double top up there at 33. We've got to be careful with. 69 is the final target up here. Let's see. There's a 33 touch again. No, only 32. 68 short at 35. 68 limit order short at 35. There's 32. 33. Come on, let's go 33, 34. Pop through 34. Pop up to 34. Still no takers at 34 yet. There we go. All right. $31 hit 41, didn't it? Jeez. I'm just going to hang on here for a second. Come on, get back up over it here. That was good volume on that spike up. You got a double top. That's 42. We hit 41. Man, I don't like those big spikes up like that and then not finishing it. Or just immediately rolling out of it. I don't like that. Obviously. But that's still good volume up here. Pull back. Better volume on the pull up. Weaker volume on the pull back. And now you're looking to get up here. Again. New 15-minute bar in 12 minutes, so we got a ways. Now I need to see us get through 36. Okay, there's 36. Come on, 37, 38. We got to 37. Push through it. Let's just keep going up here. Keep pushing up. We haven't closed above 57 yet either. We need to do that at some point. Let's go get to 40. Let's go get up to 40 up here. 34, 35. Get through that 35, 36. Come on, 36, 37. There's 36 again. We hit 37 again. Now we got to push through these levels. Adding at 46 up there, if we can get there. 36, 37. Come on, 38, 39. Every one of these little bitty legs coming down has been on less volume. Less, less, less. So now we just need to get through that 37, 38. We got up as high as 38. We had 3 on the offer at 38. Okay, you closed in the top third of the bar, which is good. There's your 42, 43. Okay, it went to auto break even at this point. I'm going to go ahead. Ninja's at auto break even. I'll go ahead and go break even on the T4 as well. 46 and 56 are the ad spots. 46 will bring you to 36 on the trail stop. I think we're going to 69 here. I think we're going to make it up to 69. But we'll see. New bar out now. 40, 37, 38. Okay, you need a bar. Really, you need a bar to close 44 or higher on the 5-minute chart. On your 5-minute chart, you need a bar to close 44 or higher. 44 or higher on the 5-minute. If you do that, you should be in reasonably good shape. If you do close 44 or higher, you should take you back up to the high up there at 64. And then if you got that close, I think we'd go ahead and make it to 69. That's the thought. Revision signal up here at 47. That stinks. I don't like seeing that. The leg up, these legs up continue to be more aggressive than the pullbacks. So that continues to be a good sign. Your 1-minute chart, you were at 41.43 on the double top. on your 5 minute, you've got another 2 minutes left, and you want to see a close. Same thing, 42 or higher on the close there. And you got the top of the hour coming up. There's 45, 46, so that added me in. We'll see if this hoses me or if we can just keep going. 36 is the stop here. And 56. You got 122 short at 40 up there. You got 1 minute left here. 1 minute left here. Okay, there's 50. 49.50. We filled those up there. That's the target is 79 up top. 111, 101 short at 50. Okay, here we go into the top of the hour here. Come on, get up through 50. We got to get through 56 is the next add spot. That'll bring your trail stop to 41. There's 52. That was a good volume. This is good volume up here. And you've got 30 seconds left here to close above this range right here, this range box, which is down here at 43. If you close in the top third, that would be good as well. That gives you a target right back up there to the high on a measured move. 54, 55, 54, 55. This is going to bring the trail stop to 41 if it tags me in. Top of the hour coming up here. Target rather is 69 up top. Target is 69. Okay, here's your top of the hour. You did close above those levels. Come on, just give me an easy one here. Just give me a nice big fat pop up. Give me a nice easy one here. Big fat pop to the top side. There's 56. Okay, there's 4 lots on now. Trail stop is 41. 69 is the target. Pulling the target back to 73. Target back to 73. But if we get to 69 and stop, I'm going to get out. So just understand that's... But I am going to try to push it back a few more ticks. Although we are above the revision signal. The revision target is 42.21. Holy crap. That is... I have a level up there at 42.21. Okay. Let's bring this target back. Bring this target back up to around 42. I want a 42.11 up there. I'm going to bring this target back to 42.11. Now, keep in mind, I'm doing that, but in the event that we get this really nice big push up, but I am going to be Johnny on the spot around 69. It likely isn't going to matter because if it gets up to that 69, that's where I'm going to be looking to peel it out. But just in case we get a nice crazy move up, then I'm going to be ready for it. Then I'm going to be ready for it. Come on, keep going up here. Let's just finish me a move here for a change. If we could, that'd be awesome. 6,600. on this leg up. Your next leg you need to break is up there at 64. Yeah, it's been a tough day for sure, Lindsay. Welcome back. It's good to see you again. I've got a time frame for a move right here on this bar to the long side. That's with the trend, by the way. It was right, actually started at 56, which was right here. Okay, there's 57. Let's get through 58, 59. Let's go get to that 69 level. There's 58, 59. Going to go to 46 on the trail stop here. 46 for now. 69 is that target, but if we push through, it could go all the way to 21. It could potentially go all the way to 21. If we get to 69 up there and fail, I'm going to get really aggressive on the stop. Let's see if we can push through the high. You've got the revision target up there at 42.20. Man, that would be slick. Says Captain Obvious. 60, 61. All right, let's see what we do up here. Let's go ahead and bring this to 51 now on the stop. There's 64, 51 on the stop. There's the high at 64. That's right to the measured move. Right, that's right here to the measured move. And we'll see if we bust through it here. That's right to the measured move. And so I think we're going to make it up through to 69. Let's just see. You got 103 short at 70. 68. There's 69. Let's go. Okay, there's 75, 76. You know, 32 on 4. Let's go ahead and bring this to 61 on the stop now. 61 on the stop. There's 78, 79. Going to go ahead and bring this to 66 on the stop. This is all gravy now. 66 on the stop. This is all gravy. We're looking to final target 42.11 possibly. 42.11 is your final target up there. I'm going to add one at 96. I'm going to add another one at 96. Okay, we're going to go ahead and bring this trail stop now to 70. We got up there to 88. Let's keep going here. Come on, don't stall out here. 67. I got to get below that 69. 67 is the stop. Been as high as 88. Going to add one now at 89. Since we're failing out of this a little bit, I'm going to add one back at 89 now. And we'll try to carry that up as high as we can. Looking for that target at 42.11 possibly. $75 orders short at 80. 75 orders short at 80. We may come back and test 69. Got to look to get up to 42.11 possibly. Be a home run then. $110 limit order short at 80. Another 100 short at 84. $106 short at 80 right now. 106 short at 80. I'd like to see us break through 80. Says Captain Obvious. 69 to 88. It's not quite. Didn't quite hit that 20 ticks. Let's bring this stop down to 64 and just see how we respond around 69. That 69 is a first time touch short, but the heavy way that we blew through it, leads me to believe that we're going to 42.11. There's 80, 81. Let's get through that 80 level. Leads me to believe that we're going to the next step above at 42.11. Go, baby, go. Adding at 89. Adding at 89. Thanks, Mark. I'm sorry that your Ninja's having problems. Couldn't ride along with it, but hopefully we could get a deal done here. Hopefully we can get a deal done here and get it on up. You got big volume on this way up, a small pullback volume-wise. Now you need to clear out 87. I'm going to add at 89. There's 77, 78. We got to get through 78, then back up through it here. I think we're going to, like I said, I think we're going to 42.11. It's just a matter of how do we get there. Adding up there at 89 at the high. 41. Let's go ahead and go to 68 now on the trail stop. There's 84, 85. Let's go 86, 87, and then get through it. More volume on this leg up than there was on the pullback here. 88, 89, 90, and I'm in. All right, so I'm in again. Let's see if we can muscle through it. We got as low as 72. The target is 11 up there. I'm going to go 71 on the trail stop here. There's 98, 99. If we make it to... Okay, let's go 81 on the trail stop on 5 now. 81 on 5. Is the trail stop. We got to 99 up there. I think we'll break it. Come on. You've got 112 at 0 short. 11 up there. There's 94, 95. Heavy volume up here. We should go to the next step. And that next step is 11. So we'll see. If we get to 99 again, I'm going to go to 85 on the stop. If we get to 99 and 99 and can't get through it this time, I'm going to go, there's 96, 97, 98. Let's go ahead and go to 85 now on the stop. There's 99, 85. Okay, there's 04, 05, 06. Let's go ahead. There's 06, 07. There's 11 hit but no fill. There's 9, 10. Come on, finish it. There was hit but no fill right to 11. Let's go right up to 99 here on the trail stop. Right up here to 99 on the trail stop. There's 07, 08, 09, 010, 11, and that's my target. And look what I'm up today. Look how much that put me. After all that bullshit that we dealt with today, look what that puts me up. How you like that? Look what that puts me up today. All right, so you could see how aggressive that move was once we finally broke out of that zone that I just showed you there on the 1 minute chart, or that I showed you earlier here on that 1 minute chart. And once we did break that area, it was only a very small, I think it was 2, maybe 3 pullbacks that actually, before we went all the way up to that target. So you saw how we were adding to the position along the way. And then once we got to our target, we took out all 5 lots. Very exciting, very cool trade. Love it when trades go the way that they're supposed to go all the way to their target. So again, if you joined us for the early part of the session today, you'll know that it was not an easy day in that early part of the session. We had a number of stopped out or break-even trades before we were able to get to the one trade that pushed us all the way over the top. So again, keeping our stops relatively small and running to those big targets gave us an excellent opportunity here today. So again, as always, I want to say thank you for spending time watching the videos here at the Oil Trading Group. And until tomorrow, I want to wish you good luck and good trading. Bye.